inside of you all along, little goddess. Please don't be modest. You're holy and sacred. Get out of your head. Surely you know you're a flower, reflecting the sun's rays. Come and seize the day, so everyone you come around can say cinnamon and angel dust, almond milk and coconut.
Hey guys, my name is Veronica Renee. Many of you may know me from my Instagram, veronica.renee, and also my Instagram, styleover.fashion. I will place those Instagram right here. If you are not following me, go ahead and follow me. You're missing out. You're definitely missing out. But today's video, I want to do an unboxing shoe video. I ordered some shoes from Shein. I mean, it's quarantine. There's nothing else to do, so why not shop a little bit? And if you did not know, Shein uses Afterpay, so you can save money or spend money wisely. They just started maybe like a month ago, and I was so excited because Shein is one of my favorite sites. So if you guys want to see, then continue watching. Okay, let me show y'all this box. Don't talk about me. I mean, yeah, don't talk about me. Before I jump into the shoes, I want to show you guys two accessories that I bought. Well, two accessories that I bought. First, I bought this necklace that say 1996 because that's my birthday year. It's gold. It was only $150, so that means it's not gonna be forever lasting. But I mean, $150, I will continue to buy it until I can't buy it anymore. And then the next thing I bought was a sling bag or a fanny pack, however you want to wear it. This is a newspaper style. And this was $7. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh. I usually wear like this, but tighter. Or flip your hair through there. Casual outfit now. Casual outfit. Have it on your back. Okay, I have a total of 7 shoes. I'm going to show you guys the shoes in my hand, and then I'm going to show you the shoes on my feet on the side over here. So let's jump into it. I have a pair of tennis shoes, a pair of sandals, and then 4 heels. I mean, when it's time to come out of quarantine, your girl going to be stunting for the gram, for the people, and definitely for myself. So let's get started with the sandals. These are the sandals right here. I got this in a size Europe 40, which is supposed to be an 8.5. I've never ordered shoes from Shein before, so I'm being very, very hopeful and very prayerful that all these shoes fit, because I don't want to send all these back. That'll be a lot of weight. But the shoes stay fastened. Let's take it out the bag. Up close, these are what the shoes look like. Gonna feel the inside and see if it's soft. It has a little cushion to it, not 100% memory foam, of course, but I think these will be comfortable enough to walk around in for a long period of time. It just says fashion, fashion, and then something in. Yeah, they language, okay? But I bought them because it said fashion, and I do recall this price off the top of my head. These were $9. Okay, next we got sneakers. Don't be mad at me, okay? These are also a Europe size 40, which is supposed to be an 8.5. They're white. It says fashion. These shoes also say fashion on it right here. Right here. I bought them because they're white for one. I don't have any more white shoes. And then it's just like fashion. Like, this can be your statement piece. Wear something simple, throw these sneakers on, and out the door you go. This is what it looks like. And now we're gonna move on to the heels. Correction. So I said earlier in the video about a pair of sandals, a pair of sneakers, and then the rest were heels. False alarm is a pair of sandals, 2 pairs of sneakers, and 4 pairs of heels. I think I went a little crazy, but I mean, what can I say? So we're gonna open up these next pair of sneakers. I don't know what the box say because I don't speak Chinese. But I know what my shoes are like. These are also a size Europe 40. And these are the bad boys here. Look at that. Beautiful. Just simple, beautiful. A statement. These are a light heather gray. Has chunky or thick shoelaces. This is like a chunky shoe. I bought this color because I don't have any pair of gray shoes. And I didn't want black pair of shoes. So the gray is the perfect color. They can still get dirty, so I gotta be cautious. But I absolutely love these shoes. That's what it looks like. The sole of them. Not that you care, but that's the sole. So now we can move on to the heels. For my heels, I bought 4 different types of mules. I've been in love with mules for the longest, and I had to get my hand on some. I didn't want the same identical types of shoes, so I had to switch it up a little bit of color, a little bit of clear, a little bit of length and height, a little bit of shortness, all styles of mules. So we're just going to open them up. I don't know which order I'm going in. I'm just going for the box. Let's grab the first one. So these are also a Europe 40. All my shoes are Europe 40 because that's supposed to be an 8 or 8.5. Open it. These are the shoes. So it's just a simple, perplex, clear, short, thick, skinny heel. It's thick, but it's slim, or thick and skinny, however you want to call it. It says Shein on the inside. This is the heel. This is what it looks like. I got these because a lot of people don't really have this style of perplex clear sandals, and I think it's perfect. It's not too high. It's not too short. You can wear this with all types of outfits, from brunch to birthday dinners to clubbing. You don't want your feet to be hurting. So these shoes are very, very versatile, and they're going to be worth it due to the length, due to the height of the heel. This box is a little beat up, but it says Shein on the outside. Europe 40. Let's open and see what they are. These are my red mules. Oh my God. I got the plastic on. Let them see this. From Shein. Stop lying. This is the shoe. Beautiful. I'm in love, and I haven't even styled them yet. I've been wanting some more red shoes because I own only one pair of red heels, and I was like, I need another pair in a different style. So these are the red heels I picked out. On to the next one. This box is also a little beat up. It says Shein on the outside. It says color neon orange, and it has the school number, and then it says US 8.5. What? Instead of saying Europe 40, it says US 8.5. Let's see what these shoes are like. I wanted to play in color. I did. So, I'm going to play in color. These are the shoes. These chunky, thick black heel. Look at that. Neon orange. Supposed to be 8.5. That's typically my heel height, my heel size and shoes. I'm just hoping these bad boys are comfortable. Oh, got a little cushion in here. Alright, baby. The outfits. I'm ready. Quarantine, stop playing. Corona, go away. Go. I got stuff to do. I got outfits to play. These are my mules. I have one more. Last one, I know what they are since I opened up everything else. This is a Europe 40 as well. Box says Shein. This box is actually pretty sturdy. Not beat up or anything. They're white. They're mules. But they got a little twist to them. Open it up. And the plastic. Let's take it out. Similar to the red mule, but it has straps, so I can wrap them around my pants legs. You know, that's kind of like one of the trends or style right now, where you're able to wrap your shoes around pants like I have on here. You kind of like give it that stuck to the leg look. So I was like, ooh, give me some pair of mules and let it wrap around. I was hoping I could find one, because all the white mules I was seeing was just like the red ones, or it had a little closed toe, and I was like, no, I want something different. And I found these, and I am glad I did. This is what it looks like. Got the strap. Got the inside right now. This is the shoe. Okay, so that completes this Shein unboxing shoe haul with 2 accessories added into it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you are looking for some shoes, some inexpensive shoes, some great quality shoes, please look into Shein. And you don't want to spend all your money right now, look into Shein. They use Afterpay. Like, Afterpay has become my best friend. It reminds me of a bill, because you got to pay every 2 weeks. But it's better than paying that $130 on the first payment. You get to pay it down in 4. So, I enjoyed purchasing my shoes. I've been sitting at my door every day waiting till DHL to show up. And they showed up today. And I was like, perfect shoe haul time. Hope you guys enjoyed my very first video. I'm excited to show you guys my fashion taste, my fashion love. Because that's one of my biggest things in life. I love fashion. I'm a fashion lover, fashionista, fashion blogger. If you're not following me on my social media account, stop, back out of YouTube right now and go follow me. If you're not subscribed to my channel right now, pause this video, scroll down just a little bit, tap subscribe and tap the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. Hope you guys found something that you like. Hope you were inspired to buy something. If it's not even shoes, just buy clothes from Shein. They will not fail you. So, Hope you guys have a great rest of the quarantine right now. Bye.